All right, adding polynomials. We're also going to subtract polynomials in this video. Let's get going. All right, when we add polynomials, most of us know this already, but we should look for like terms. So which of these terms are like each other? In order to be like each other, they have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So I'm just going to go through. Are there any other terms that have a k to the third power? No. All right, so that one stays. It's by itself. There are no matches, it stays the same. Are there any other terms that are k to the first power? That little invisible first power is there. Yes, there is, right here. So what is negative 6k plus 5k? That's negative 1k. So I don't have to say negative 1k, right? In math, we don't actually write that little 1 there. So negative k. Next, are there any terms that have just a number? Well, there's just one term. Okay, so that's by itself. And last, this is also by itself. There are no other k squareds to combine it with. Now, if we type in our answer this way, this won't be correct because up here it says your answer should be an expanded polynomial in standard form. And if we remember polynomial intro lesson, standard form means exponents must be written from highest to lowest. So if I write it all out, highest to lowest, I can combine them just like so. Next term must be the squared. Oop. Excuse me. The next term is to the first power, and the last one is the constant term, just the number. And that's our standard form. And that's how we add polynomials. Next, let's try out subtracting. So if we go to look at subtracting polynomials, it's the same kind of idea with one little twist. We have to be careful of that little negative sign. Let me show you what I mean. Up here we see that we're taking this whole polynomial and we're subtracting this whole polynomial from it. If we do that, we got to do a little trick here with our subtraction sign. This is subtracting everything in this group. Everything here gets subtracted. So if I want to rewrite it all, everything in the first set of parentheses stays the same. Everything after subtraction sign gets changed to its opposite. So 9b was positive, now it's negative. Negative 4 will now become plus 4. Now I can combine all my like terms the same way we did before. I've turned a subtraction problem into addition. This doesn't have anything to combine with. I can combine these two 9b's. One's positive and one's negative, so they add up to 0. However, a mistake a lot of students make is they see these two 4's. They assume they also cancel to 0, but they do not. They add up to 8. So our answer, remember in standard form, highest power to lowest power is 5b to the third plus 8. We don't have to put in 0b. That is not necessary. We have to remember to do this when we subtract polynomials. Change the sign of everything after the subtraction sign.